If you're wondering if you may qualify for Social Security disability benefits, stay tuned. You may have been wondering if you're eligible for Social Security benefits. Well, I've asked a very experienced lawyer in this area to join us today to shed some light on that. Carl, welcome.
Hi, Mike. Thanks for having me on your video today.
Fantastic. Thanks for taking the time out to give back to your community again today by sharing some of your knowledge with us. So if someone's wondering, maybe they've just got laid off or they can't do their job like they could anymore, are they eligible for benefits?
Well, that's a great question that we hear a lot. You know, the client will call in and say, can I get Social Security? I got hurt on the job, or I got laid off and I can't find a job. Well, the standards to get Social Security disability benefits are fairly rigid.
Okay.
Simply not being able to do your old job is not enough. There's a lot of factors that go into being eligible for Social Security disability. They do look at the whole person, such as your age, education, work experience, your physical limitations. All of those factors look at. So for example, if you're over 50 years old, your standard is different than if you're 20 years old.
Oh.
So we do look at the whole person. But generally speaking, in order to be eligible, you have to establish that you cannot do any type of gainful employment. So for example, if you had worked in a factory doing construction, doing heavy labor, and you hurt your back, you can't do that anymore, could you do a sit-down job? So those are some of the things that a Social Security judge would look at to determine. But it is important to remember, they look at the whole person. So what may apply to an older person may not apply to a younger person. So we want to look at the whole picture in order to tell if you are qualified and eligible for disability benefits.
Well, if someone had a question about this and wanted to speak to you, how would they reach you?
The best way is our phone number, which is all twos, 502-222-2222. We also have information about Social Security on our website at trumanlaw.com.
Great. Well, thanks again for joining us.
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.